Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Excel row delete. First, to delete a single row, simply click on the row number on the far left of your spreadsheet. This action will highlight the entire row. Next, right-click anywhere on the highlighted row to bring up a small menu. From this menu, select the Delete option. This will instantly remove the entire row from your worksheet, shifting subsequent rows upwards. To delete multiple rows, you have a couple of options. For adjacent rows, click the first row number, then drag your mouse down to select all the rows you wish to remove. If your rows are not next to each other, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each individual row number. Once all desired rows are selected, right-click on any one of them and choose Delete from the menu. All selected rows will be removed. It is crucial to understand that deleting a row is a permanent action that removes all data within it. Before you delete, always take a moment to verify that the row does not contain any important information you might need later. If your goal is only to remove the data but keep the row structure, you can select the cells and choose Clear Contents instead. This keeps the row, but empties its cells. For faster deletion, try using keyboard shortcuts. To select an entire row, simply place your cursor anywhere in that row and press Shift plus Spacebar. Once the row is selected, press Ctrl plus the minus key to delete it instantly. And remember, if you ever delete a row by mistake, don't panic. You can always press Ctrl plus Z immediately to undo your last action and restore the deleted row.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.